The impact technology has on humans, EDU226 B1600780. Prensky described two different characters of people in society, digital natives and digital immigrants. Digital natives are those who have been born into the digital era and speak fluent technology speak and have been exposed to digital devices from a very young age. They don't know life without it, whereas digital immigrants have had to adapt their way of life to accommodate for the overwhelming introduction of digital technology. Some immigrants find this change easier than others, suggesting that digital technology does alter humans. I believe digital technology to be more damaging to the digital natives than digital immigrants. Unfortunately, 1 in 3 children leave primary school being overweight or obese. This raises serious health concerns for children, partly due to technology use. Sadly, children have admitted to spending too much time on digital devices, and as a result, when asked to put them down, they get frustrated. However, the change for digital immigrants cannot be easy. It creates a digital technology competency divide, and unfortunately, digital immigrants are the ones lagging behind, and therefore struggle to thrive in such digital technology-orientated society. Although, are digital immigrants too stubborn to change and adapt to new ways? It is highly unlikely that digital natives and society will revert to old ways. Susan Greenfield argues that digital technology does alter humans. As so much of our lives revolve around technology, how can our brains not change as a result? Digital technology is being experimented with to improve quality of life and modifying human bodies. Human augmentation is a clear example of how technology has been used to alter humans. However, the argument is, how far should we be allowed to augment and modify ourselves before it is unnecessary? Should it be allowed just for prosthetic limbs, or should people who are colourblind be allowed to implant a software into their brain which will communicate to the brain the colours which they are seeing? Or implant a device which detects seismic activity anywhere on Earth and send vibrations to the device to tell you where and what is happening? Is this extreme? Will we get to the point one day where we won't be able to tell who and who isn't augmented? In conclusion, I believe technology does alter humans. It already influences our day-to-day lives and routines. Technology has provided us with opportunities that would never have been possible without it, such as human augmentation. However, using too much digital technology can negatively influence our digital natives, and parents need to limit their children's unnecessary exposure to digital technology. I believe we should still be encouraged to read books and have time without digital technology, as it can alter our physical interactions with people.